Car crashes are expensive for everyone involved. Not only is there the issue of property damage, but there are medical costs, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages that might not be seen right away and add up in the end. Whether it is a luxury car involved in an accident, a vintage car, or someone famous, these incidents can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and sometimes venture into the millions. In this video, we are going to discuss most expensive car crashes that only rich can bear part 2. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Rimac C2, $2.4 million. Though this isn't an owner crash per se, it still hurts to watch, regardless of the accidental crash testing performed by Richard Hammond in 2017 while filming an episode of the Grand Tour. Rimac is needed to perform formal testing on their latest prototype. The C2 comes with a heart-stopping 1,887 bhp and 1,696 pound-feet of torque, along with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.97 seconds and a 0 to 100 miles per hour time of just 4.3 seconds. Pagani Zonda Roadster F, $2 million. On September 11, 2011, a German man driving a 2007 Pagani Zonda Roadster F was involved in an expensive car accident on Italy, A10 Autostrada. Though few details about the accident have been released, it is believed that the car was traveling at nearly 200 miles per hour at the time of the crash. Some reports suggest that the drivers may have been racing illegally prior to the accident. If this is true, it would explain why the driver was going at such a high rate of speed. Thankfully, both the driver and the passenger were able to escape from the car before it caught fire. They only sustained minor injuries. Mr. Bean crashes his F1 McLaren, $1.25 million. With a roaring V12 engine that can reach speeds of 230 miles per hour, the F1 McLaren is a special kind of car. However, all that speed means that it is easier to lose control, which is exactly what happened to Rowan Atkinson, aka Mr. Bean, on a British motorway. It took 4 weeks for insurers to estimate the damage and another year for it to be repaired. With the bill priced at $1.25 million for insurers, Mr. Bean is back to driving his F1. But don't think he won't feel the pain. According to experts, the star's car insurance premium is now priced at $100,000 a year. SSC Tuatara, $1.6 million. In May 2021, the driver reported SSC transporting a Tuatara to Florida to another high-speed record attempt, but unfortunately, it never made it to the destination. The car carried used to transport the $1.6 million, 1,750 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 hypercar was tipped over as a result of strong winds during transit. Lots of damage to the delicate cargo is said to be repaired as the chassis, drivertrain, and suspension were unharmed in the car carrier topple. This car is chassis number 001 and was due to set a high-speed record of well over 300 miles per hour, but that will have to wait until it's back in shape. McLaren F1, $1 million. Businessman and Twitter personality Elon Musk may be the richest man in the world right now, but that wasn't always the case. While the man is totally into Tesla right now, his first big payday came with the sale of a software startup to Compaq in 1999. He used the money to purchase what most believe to be the most expensive car, a McLaren F1. The then $1 million 618 HP McLaren hypercar was one of the quickest vehicles on 4 wheels. Perhaps this fact should have led Musk to take out insurance on the car. However, by his own admission, Elon believed that accidents only happened to other people. As a result, he passed on the extra premium. Elon Musk and his business partner at the time, Peter Thiel, were on their way to a meeting one day when Thiel asked Musk what the car could do. Apparently, Musk's answer was, "Watch this." Pretty sure that losing the back end of the car and careering into an embankment was not meant to be part of the demonstration. With no insurance for the vehicle, it turns out that the car became a $1 million mistake. MercedesBenz 300 SL, $750,000. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing is one of the world's most iconic and expensive cars. The high-end sports car was named the sports car of the century in 1999 and can reach speeds of up to 163 miles per hour. Today, the Gullwing is famed not just for its rarity, but also for its classic nature. One owner took his prized Gullwing to a shop that specializes in vintage Mercedes-Benz model for some light repairs and maintenance. After the work was completed, a mechanic took the car for a test drive. Unfortunately, the mechanic lost control of the vehicle at high speed. However, the cost of repairs certainly left massive dents in the owner's pockets. On average, repairs for this car type cost $833,000. Given its value and iconic status, the Gullwing is definitely one of the most expensive cars to crash. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.